Hello again, this is Brent, and today we're going to take a look at the new Equipment Activity tile in the Trimble Ag mobile app. This new feature allows users to download, filter, and view equipment activity details straight from their mobile device. So let's jump in. From the main screen in the Trimble Ag mobile app, the first thing we will notice is the new Equipment Activity tile. Once you tap on the tile, a new page will open and the app will start to download all equipment activity from the current crop year. An important note to make is that this list of activities will only get downloaded when connected to a Wi-Fi network. Once downloaded, there is a maximum of 50 activities that will be displayed per page. To advance to the next page of activities, go to the bottom right part of the screen and tap the next arrow. When you open the activity, it will display the detailed summary view. This summary will include the preview of the field boundary, field details, whether the task is locked and verified, and task-specific details like total time, cost, operators, vehicles, implements, and a coverage map. If you tap on the coverage map, you can review the various attributes related to that task, as well as the related legend. In the top right corner of the task summary screen, you can also apply filters to the sessions associated with the task. For example, the double-line button to the left of the Save button will allow you to group sessions by vehicle. Two important things to note in this screen are, first, only the sessions that are checked off will display in the coverage map. And second, you will notice that the area measurement will also update based on the session selected. Going back to the main activity screen, you also have the option to apply filters to sort through the overall task list from the crop season. From this page, you can filter the list by field, crop, operation type, vehicle, implement, operator, material, and whether or not the task has been verified. To clear any filters that you've turned on, you can click the button Clear Filters at the bottom of the page. And finally, by using the drop-down list below the filter button, you can then further filter the task list by choosing the desired time period you would like to review. And that's how you use the new Equipment Activity tile in the mobile app.